the poetry, this one is a little unique. So in this one, there's a couple of videos that kind of teach you some things, and then there's a link down there as well. And after you've checked those out, you're going to notice that when you go to the discussion, this doesn't have a thread that's already created by me. So in these, you've only got one option, that's reply to the one I've made. But in this one, you're actually going to be creating a thread. So when you click on it, you're not going to see anything here, and it might seem a little weird if you're the first one in. If you're the second or third one in, you'll actually see some other people have posted, but when you go in here the first time and you're actually putting your poem in, you're not going to reply to any just yet. The first thing you're going to want to do is go up here to create thread, and you would click on this, which is where you're going to put maybe the title of your poem, or you're just going to say my poem, something along those lines, and then you're going to put your poem in here. If you decided to do a haiku or an acrostic poem, it might be really short, but that's the idea. I really don't want you going beyond 10 lines in this. We want to keep it short because of the fact that we don't want people to get overwhelmed by this. It's more about you getting the experience. And after you've created your poem, you go ahead and hit submit, and that's going to create a thread. And that thread's going to look like the discussion I showed you a minute ago that I had started that you can reply to. You'll have the option to reply to other people's poems. You can reply to your own, but what I really recommend that you do is after you've posted yours, go ahead and reply to another poem or two. Check them out. See what your classmates have made. There may be some really cool things that people you know have made. If you got a friend in class, you want to see what they made, you might want to give them some kudos and say, great job. So if you see some, go ahead and do that. With these, I'm not going to limit you to how many times you can comment. You can comment on at least 2. That's what I'm encouraging you to do. But if you want to go look at everyone's poems, I think that's fantastic because you got a lot of really great people in this class. You're probably going to make some really awesome stuff. So go ahead and check that out.